Hey everyone, welcome back. This time to another recipe. Dip some crusty bread into these creamy Italian-inspired garlicky prawns. Packed with flavour and ready in 20 minutes. And I've added some chilli for a little arrabiata twist. So let's go! Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy in the section below so you can copy. First, some prep work as this cooks so quickly. Chop your sun-dried tomatoes into slices. Roughly chop the basil leaves and pop them in with the spinach ready to go. Get your pesto and garlic weighed out. Chop the chillies if you're using them. Peel the prawns, leaving the heads on. And do remember to devein them. You really don't want to be eating what they've been. Now that's done, should we get on with some cooking? Yes? Well, okay then. Heat a teaspoon of the reserved oil from the sun-dried tomatoes in a pan over medium-low heat. This will enhance the base flavour of the sauce. Add the garlic, pesto and chilli and cook, stirring for about a minute or so until they're aromatic. Now pour in the heavy cream and bring to a gentle simmer. We can now add the prawns, the sun-dried tomato slices, the basil and the spinach. And cook, stirring for 2 minutes or so until everything is heated through and the spinach has just wilted. And believe it or not, that's it. You can serve this with pasta or rice, but come on, you know me, it has to be crusty bread. I hope you like this simple and quick recipe. If so, do give it a go. And why not think about subscribing to the channel? We've got tons of recipes on here. And if you've liked it, hit that like button, it all helps me out. So until next time, bye!